Embark on a journey into the natural world with Annie Dillard's Pilgrim at Tinker Creek. An inspiring quote from the book is, "I had been my whole life a belle, and never knew it until at that moment I was lifted and struck." This nonfiction narrative invites readers into Dillard's explorations around her home in Virginia's Blue Ridge Mountains. As you read Pilgrim at Tinker Creek, you'll experience Dillard's profound reflections on solitude, writing, and the wonders of the natural world. Subscribe to Novel Nuggets for more literary insights.